First race weekend complete at Silverstone, and what a weekend it was. Bit of a whirlwind, it flew by, really sociable event. I must say, everyone at Bernie's V8s was so cool, so welcoming, very helpful with any issues with the car, just general like how the weekend works, the event itself, the timings of everything. The whole weekend ran early, so that was a little bit of a shock. I was expecting maybe some delays with kind of start times for Quali, the races and things, but everything was super early, so it caught me out a little bit. Obviously, I was flapping anyway for the for qualifying, so the first session on the Saturday. I wasn't ready, the car wasn't ready. I was in the assembly area where you go kind of 20 minutes, half an hour before you actually start on track. So there's another session already going on at the same time. Whilst they're finishing, you're in the assembly area. That's your time to get suited up, get your helmet on, make sure your harnesses are tight and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, I just missed my timing, so I was just a little bit late getting onto the track. Everyone sort of, or a few people went past me to go out and get started with qualifying. So that was a little bit kind of threw me. The weekend itself, so the actual session, so qualifying was very challenging for everyone. So what had happened was in a session prior to ours, someone had lost their oil all the way around the track, all on the racing line. So it took them a while for the stewards and the marshals to clean that up, put all the like the dust down, the granules down to soak the oil up, which was great. But it was still slippery. There was plumes of dust behind, being kicked up off all the cars. My tyres weren't in the right window. I'd underinflated them, I think, so I used the pressures from my track day the previous weekend, where I got a 1:14.7, I think it was my best time at the track day, which I wasn't really sure was quick or not. I obviously had nothing to compare myself to at the time, but one thing I didn't get any quicker than that on the track day, and then on Quali I was at 1:16, I think 1:16 something, so a good 2 seconds off what I did at the track day the week before, but different track conditions, my tyres weren't in the right operating window, I messed that up, and yeah, just first time, and probably a bit of nerves and stuff kicking in and just not quite getting into the rhythm. So I finished Quali a little bit frustrated. If you haven't seen it already, please check out the wheel of the Bullet Mustang, or the video of the Bullet Mustang. I let him pass me into cops, obviously he was quicker anyway, so I let him pass me coming into cops during the qualifying session, and as he went past I could just see him getting all out of shape, lost the back end and his wheel went flying off right in front of me. So that's quite an interesting video to watch. And then just circulating just more and more laps, just waiting for the waiting for green flags. So being able to actually put in a full lap in. I just kept going round and round. I thought, I'm not going to go to the pits, I'll just keep going, and I'll keep my eye on the recovery at cops. And then once I know that the track's cleared, I warm myself up for the next lap, thinking I'll get a clean lap in or green flag lap in. So I saw that, I saw the car being towed off, so I was like, right, next lap, this is going to be the one, this is the one I'm going for. Started off really well, through cops, coming round towards Brooklands, Luffield, I think it is, and a car blew its engine right before me, dropped all its oil, a couple of people span off, and then that meant double waved yellows in that sector, so I had to let off. Got a bit frustrated with myself because I really felt that was the lap, that was the good lap. And then again, just trundling around, waiting for the track to be cleared. So yeah, finished the session without really any representable lap times. Nothing that I could sort of really be happy with. So 1:16, qualified 20th, I think it was, 20th out of 23. But there was some DNFs. So that was that. Yeah. Still having some issues with the car, with the clutch pedal sticking down on me on upshift. and now it's crunching into downshifting into third as well. So again, it's just putting me off my stride. Not fantastic conditions really for my first qualifying, but we made it. We qualified. We finished the session. Did the right amount of laps, the qualifying laps anyway, to be able to race. So that was all good. And then had the first race on the Saturday afternoon.